Siema, co tam? I'm back. Meal number 1, 5 whole eggs. I also have half a cup of oatmeal and, oh yeah, with a bit of peanut butter. And I think that'll be it. And then I'll have a black coffee alongside 750 milliliters of hydration of your choice, preferably water with maybe added some EAAs, but that is completely and utterly your choice. I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna talk. Alright, cool, so I got my oatmeal, just mixing in the peanut butter right now, and then I got my black coffee. So you're probably wondering, or maybe not, you're probably not wondering, but I'm going to tell you anyways, where have I been? So, spent most of the time really just trying to improve myself as an individual. So I did multiple courses. God, what is this hair, man? Jeez. Anyways, so I did multiple courses, and then I was just really focusing more on education. So then throughout the lockdown, I also carried it on with the education. That's why I wasn't really training. I didn't really bother with training. I just thought it's not really that important. Then I realized throughout lockdown I really needed the gym, and my psychological state started degrading. Is that the correct word? I think so. I'm gonna leave it in. So, what is the plan for after this meal? You may be asking. The plan is that I do need to do all my checkups, so I want to do that, and then let's say, checking the time, in about an hour I will do my vacuums and my abdominal work. So yeah, sounds interesting. Really isn't. So yeah, basically work, abs, food. And then after the food, I think it will be time to train, so yeah. Right, so I just finished up my abs, so what I like to do is keep a nice little track of it in a little notebook. So the way I like to lay it out, I'm just going to tell you this because it might be useful for yourselves, is just put the date up here. I always start off with vacuums. I put a little note next to it. How did it feel today? So for example, today, for whatever reason, my vacuums felt rather shallow. I wasn't able to go as deep as I'm normally able to. So I literally put in shallow. And then what I like to do also is put a level of difficulty I wish it felt. So for example, you can have light, medium, high. So that's what I do. And today it felt like a medium. So then I have my sets and my reps, well, the time. So today I performed 10 sets with holding each vacuum for a total of 15 seconds. Then followed by that, I have my abs and my ab work. So today I performed 3 sets of 10 reps for leg raises and 3 sets with 8 reps on obliques, remaining twists. So what I like to do is perform exercise A and B back to back without any rest in between, and then have my rest right after both exercises have been performed. Then I like to keep a track of my actual workout. The reason I did start doing it is because keeping a mental logbook is all good. It's good to know exactly how you perform on a week-to-week basis, on a workout-to-workout basis. But when you keep a mental logbook, the truth may be a little bit stretched, if you know what I mean. You may think you performed a little bit better than you actually did, you know, and if, for example, if you train chest on a Monday on week 6, and then you don't train chest until the next Monday, week 7, then you may not exactly remember all the information from that chest workout if you're keeping a mental log. But if you're keeping a actual physical log, everything's written down step by step of how you felt, what exercises you did, what weight, what reps, how the rest was in between each set. So it's a little bit more accurate in that kind of sense. So it's time for meal number 2. What it's going to be is a carb heavy shake, which will be made from real foods. So today I decided to go with 2 bananas. I'm going to add in some cereal, and then I'm going to add in some peanut butter for some extra fats and calories, and then I'm going to top it all off with some extra flavour from something like Nesquik or something like that. Then just add in my milk, blend it all up, and it should be very nice. Then it will be time to eat some protein. So I am thinking of going with chicken, as I have quite a bit of chicken already prepped, but I'm also debating on having a bacon sandwich. So kind of, yeah, I'm not too sure, but I do think it's gonna be the chicken because it's still got too much. But I'm bulking, so I think I'm gonna allow myself to have that bacon sandwich as well. Decisions. You know what? I'm allowed. I'll have both. So yeah, just like that, we have our shake. Unfortunately, I kind of got distracted. Added a little bit too much milk, so I will have 2 cups instead of the 1 cup I normally have. But it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Just have to go around it. But it's phenomenal. So, you know what? I'm not complaining. Might be a little bit.
Summer's gonna have come home. Summer's gonna have come home. Springing, bounce, roll, springing. Summer's gonna have come home. Summer's gonna have come home. Springing, bounce, roll, springing. Summer's gonna have come home. Summer's gonna have come home. Springing, bounce, roll, springing. Summer's gonna have come home. Summer's gonna have come home. Springing, bounce, roll, springing. Do you need disco? Do you need disco? Do you need